The first thing on the rotational series lift you'll notice is it has a 4-button configuration. There is the locked position and the unlocked position. Insert the key and turn it to the unlocked position. These 4 buttons are for your up movement, your down into the water movement, your right movement, and your left movement. Okay, on the rotational series lift there are 4 buttons. There is a right button, a left button, a down button, and an up button. To rotate to the right, you would press the right button. And when you want to go down into the water, you push the down button. To come up, you press the up button. And to rotate back to the right or to the left, press the left button. This is the only functional difference between the SC and P series and the rotational series lift.